Hello, we are back in the garage at last. We're getting back involved in the Astra. I'm going to show you what we're going to get up to today. I've also cleaned the garage up a little bit, not majorly. Also this bit down here, I've got to rebuild this bit, what goes along the middle of the two floors. So, like I say, I couldn't get one of these anywhere. I nearly got one, but it fell through the net, I should say. So I'm going to rebuild this one and take some measurements on the other side to get this bit right here. We're going to give it a go. But what I want to do first is take you over there, show you what I'm going to do, because I want to get the floor pan in first, I think, and go from there. Let's go. So this is what I'm going to do, is try and get this in. All the times I've tried to get this in here, it doesn't seem to fit very well, so I think I'm going to have to try and bend this up. I probably did explain this in the last video. It's been so long I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I did. So I think I'm going to start off here, trying to get this to bend up a little bit, and maybe try and get this bit up a bit more to see if I can get it fitted in there. So I'm going to take some measurements first, and I'll come back once I've sort of bent it about a little bit and all that sort of jazz. But anyway, this bit I've done in the previous video. I've still got to just smooth all these bits off and make that a bit smoother. Not gone too mad with it yet at the moment. I want to get the floor, like I say, all in, and we can go from there. Right, let's do it. So this is the sort of thing what's going on here. So I think this bit here, as I've marked this bit, this has got to come up with a rubber mallet to sort of flatten this bit up a bit more straighter, so I can get that shape, and then this bit will go in more there. As you can see, it goes in there, so they're sort of there. If I show you like that, I'll show you like that. It's got to go, as you can see there, it's got to go up more to make the gap the other side, and then that will go in like so. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Give it a little welly and go from there. Give it a little mallet on this bit here, and see what we do in a minute. Right, all in, all done. Just got to weld up now. Brilliant, let's go. I wish. Anyway, what I've been doing is just sort of using the rubber mallet just to, as you can see all the black stuff on there, using the rubber mallet just to get this curve in there, just to try and get that shape. As you can see there, it curves around an angle. And this bit here, I'm not sure if this actually is supposed to be in there, because obviously the 8 valve one is obviously slightly different to the 16, because obviously the tunnel's a lot wider. As you can see down there, I'm starting to sort of shape it into that corner. It is a little bit wider. I have measured it. It was like a little bit wider than the other one, which was left of the other one anyway. So yeah, looking good. It's looking good. So I've still got to shape that bit up there, but I'm not worried about that. I want to get this bit done first, get all that in place, and then I can start manipulating that, start curving that back over to that corner, getting all that sorted. But it looks pretty good underneath. I'm happy with it so far. So I've still got to bridge that gap up there. I think this panel's got to come this way a bit, bend it up a bit where I've sort of bent it down. But yeah, looking alright actually. And then that bit over there, as you can see, and that little gap there, I've still got to get that into that gap. So that's the plan now. That's what I'm going to do. But it's looking good. I'm happy with it. So let's do some more. Let's crack on. I'll come back and hopefully this bit will be in place, and then I can cut some more of this. We'll cut some of this metal away from here and then start getting it all in how it should be, and hopefully probably cut this and get this all done, and then I can get that other panel back in there, and yeah, we're looking good. So let's crack on. Let's go.
So what I did is tack welded that in there to get these bolts in there, just to hold that in place, just to get this other side done, because it's a bit of a mission on this side. But as you like see a minute ago, that I just got this bit here leveled out because it was a bit up here, so that should fit in there nice against this bit of metal here. So what I'll do is probably put a couple little holes in there, get it all in place here. The next job to do, and get this shape and cut down, and then I can weld that, tack weld it in place, and then get all that bit done as well. But that is the plan anyway, so we're sort of getting there. I'm afraid it's the end of the video. This is very short. I just wanted to show you I haven't give up. I haven't had a lot going on lately, so I haven't had a lot of time. I think it's like 6 weeks now, but obviously at the start of the video I did that quite a long time ago. So just want to finish it off just to show you what I'm doing and how far I am with this floor. But it's more positive now, so hopefully on the next video we'll get that in, tack welded up, hopefully get it welded in. That's the plan. So hopefully the next one will be longer than this. So thank you for the comments for the last video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.